this thing, we have already achieved a good margin in the market, and we have already left some impression with our presence in the market. Namaskar, my name is Sanjay Banerjee. I am the MD and co-founder of Pepkor, along with Mr. Shagnik Mukherjee. He is the CEO. Imagine a world where convenience meets sustainability seamlessly. Exactly what we are doing in Pepkor. We are manufacturing food.
Many deeper problems. Lack of understanding knowledge is one of them, and we, the digital marketers, take accountability for that because we do not take the pain of.
আমরা এসেনশিয়ালি চেষ্টা করি সবাইকে বলতে ভাই প্রত্যেক মাসে যে যা কোম্পানি বেসিক ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল হেলথটা
because equity is something that you have built, that value you have built. এবার কতটা equity দেবে, কতটা and it's something that it's a call that you painstakingly take. Now on one hand, right, equity দিয়ে দেওয়া মানে নিজের control দিয়ে দেওয়া.